Hey guys, welcome to Madara Farms. This is not what we were anticipating this week. We have another snowstorm on us and my entire family has come down with COVID. So it's been a rough week. As you can tell, I probably look extremely tired, which I am. However, farm chores don't stop. So last night, unfortunately, our dog's leg got caught in one of the traps that we have out, and that was pretty much like, I don't know, a lot my fault, I guess. I let our dogs out. I typically run the property wherever they want. It had completely slipped my mind that we had set traps like in the back of our property, which we have 25 acres, so I didn't really think that it was going to be a huge deal. And luckily, we went outside to do something, I forget, and we heard loud screaming. We honestly thought it was a coyote. I didn't remember that the dogs had been out, and Andrew took the side-by-side back, and unfortunately his leg was caught in the trap. He's perfectly fine because we don't do anything like too dangerous, but it's still not good. His foot's a little swollen. He's walking fine and eating and drinking, so he's fine. However, yesterday when I was out here, I noticed that the chicken light was out on the heat lamp, which is above the water, and it is 16 degrees, so their water is probably frozen. Also, when it's that cold out, it's very important that you get your eggs right away because they will freeze in no time. So let's go check out what's going on in the barn. Hi guys, how are you? Hi. Okay, let's get some food. Everyone's water was completely frozen, as I anticipated it to be. So just a few things that we do is we have this pipe warmer. I don't really know the name of it, but we have it wrapped around our water source to the barn, and that helps it from freezing right where the spigot is. Our water's pretty good underground. It really hasn't frozen down there ever. So as long as we get it to not freeze once it comes above ground, then we are in the clear, and it's always been fine for us. We need to do something for the goats and sheep because we just use these little water plastic things, and they just freeze so quickly. Nice, however, because they're easy to clean, and we don't have to fill up like 150 gallons. So I don't know, but I was right. The light for the chickens is out, so let's go fix that. It's really cold. We have hay. Everyone's nice and cozy. We have hay for everybody. Got everyone calmed down, fed, so I can work in here and get what needs to get done. Well, I'm glad that wasn't on camera. I just bit it out on the ice out there and twisted my ankle. I found another heat lamp. However, it doesn't have a clip and a cage, so we're going to try and rig this thing up because I really don't want to have a light out here that doesn't have a cage on it. This isn't perfect, and by no means am I on a homestead or a farm. Highly recommend getting stock in these things. Alright, and let's see. Yes, okay, cool. We have light, however, this thing's completely frozen. So now we gotta break this up so that we can get more water in it for these poor chickens who are probably super thirsty since it's been like this for a couple hours now. Getting that water container fixed has been a nightmare. It's taken me 20 minutes, if not longer. My problem is that you cannot leave any ice in there, because if it goes down in the water, then it's going to clog up the hole. And the whole reason why I did that is so that they could get water. So I just had to make sure it's all taken out, and my tools out here are limited, so it was just a whole mess. However, we got water going in it now. The heat lamp is good, so that should prevent it from freezing again. Once this is done, I'm gonna gather some eggs. However, let me show you guys what happens when I am late to gathering eggs. They freeze, and then we have a bunch of eggs that froze and broke open and are no good anymore. So these are just gonna go right into the compost. But it never ends. Like, I swear winter is hard because you have all of these unexpected problems, especially when the weather flips on you so quickly. Literally last weekend was like 60 degrees, and now it's 16 degrees, and we're just trying to maintain all the stuff going on here. So I'm gonna cap up this water, put it in the coop, and then we'll gather some eggs. All right, let's see what we got for eggs. We got a layer. I got some here. If one of your chickens is laying on eggs, it's great to get underneath them while they are laying, because then you can ensure that those eggs are probably nice and warm and you're not gonna have any problems. Our eggs tend to lay about now. It's around lunchtime. So we have girls laying right now. There's quite a few eggs out here, and they are looking really nice. This is what happens. Oh, not a ton of eggs, obviously. It's 16 degrees, and I still have a bunch of girls laying, but enough to definitely sell. I know I have quite a few customers waiting on eggs, so that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna get inside, warm up my hands, and hang out with the family for the rest of the day. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me while I come out to this 16-degree barn and take care of all the critters. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, friends.